7. From head to toe, every bone works together.
Hello, welcome once again. I'm Dr. David. Today we are going to explore something very important, the structure that holds your entire body together. Come with me. Today we're talking about the bones in the human body. Do you know how many bones are inside your body and what they are called? Let's look at this model and find out.
1. The human body is supported by a structure known as the skeletal system.
2. An adult human body contains 206 bones.
3. The skull contains 22 bones, including the frontal, parietal, temporal, and the mandible.
4. The vertebral column consists of 26 bones while the ribs and sternum protect vital organs.
5. The upper limbs contain 64 bones, including the humerus, radius, ulna, and the bones of the hand.
6. The lower limbs contain 62 bones, including the femur, tibia, fibula, and the bones of the feet.
7. From head to toe, every bone works together to support, protect, and move the body.
In our next class, I will teach you all the names of the bones and their functions in the human body. And if you found this helpful, take a moment to follow, like, and share this with someone. You never know who might need to learn this too.